Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the sixth puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday, September the 23rd, 2020. Yes, the sixth one, 6 out of 8. Yes, this one is a binary puzzle, and this will be number 1601. And before I start, I count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 boxes, 8 by 1. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two 1s comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have 4 1s in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then between two O's comes in 1. 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 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Well. Now, double 1, here no, there no. 3 1s in this column. If I place number 4, number 4, no. Number 4, 3 O's, no. 3 O's. Tough one. I think I need to compare. 101. Do we have a 101 here? No. 101 here. This row and that row. 0011, 0011, 00, empty box, 11, empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With a O there, this should be a 1. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. We have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Double 1, here and O, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here and O, there no. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Do we need to compare again? That's the question. Well. Yes, we need to compare this one and that one. 001111 empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With a O there, this should be a 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, and O there, no. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright, quicker than the previous binary. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon with the 2 tectonics left, a tectonic with 1 star, and a tectonic with 2 stars. So see you later. Bye bye for now.